Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up a little package that I received from Billion Dollar Brows. If you guys haven't heard of this company, I actually first heard about them through BoxyCharm, and I received a few of their brow products in the past. I've used them, I really like them. I do believe that I have a brush, maybe two, but they were kind enough to send me this package to try out some little goodies, which I'm so excited and I'm so thankful for. But this is what we have. First of all, how cute. I love the colors, I love the patterns. I feel like it's really cute. But this is what we got. I'm so excited to try some of their products. I obviously have makeup on right now. I did not do my brows because I want to try some of their goodies, but I didn't know what I was going to get. So I see a few things in here that I will be trying at a later time because, like I said, I do already have my makeup on. But let's see. They sent a little thank you card. I thought that was awesome. If you guys didn't see, they actually were kind enough to ask me to be a part of their Instagram story takeovers, which was so much fun to do. I will leave my information for Instagram down below, and I will leave their information as well if you want to give them a follow, and give me a follow too. So let's see what we got. We got the Billion Dollar Brows Big Bold Brow Crayon. It covers gray. It's one swipe brow and a root cover up too, and I have it in the color taupe. Okay, that's really cool. It's kind of like an all-purpose tool. It's a retractable brow crayon and a spoolie is included. Let's take a look and see. I don't know if I'm going to be using this. Maybe I will, but I want to just, let's open it up and see what we have. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. I actually really like that color. I feel like that color is the right amount of warmth and the right amount of cool. Here's the little spoolie that it comes with. Very cool. I don't know if I'm going to be using this today. Maybe. I want to see what other products we got first. Ooh, I see some brushes, which is exciting. The next one is the Mini Universal Brow Pencil. I think I do have this actually. Not the mini travel size. I think I have the full size one. But this is great for travel. Cool. Let's see if it's the same. Right there, same thing. I feel like it's a nice amount of warmth and a nice amount of coolness as well. So the next thing that I have is their eye brush trio. Very cool. So just a few brushes. It is vegan and charcoal infused bristles. You get an eyeliner brush, an eyeshadow brush, and an eyebrow brush. This I'm very excited about. How pretty is that? So you get that nice, precise angled tip and a spoolie on the other side. Very nice. I think I'm gonna play around with this. The quality feels really nice. The actual brush itself, like the handle part, has almost like that soft grip feel to it, which I definitely appreciate and I do like. So these are the brushes. Very cool. And the last thing that I received are actually face brushes, which I'm excited about. This is the contour brush. Ooh. This is the highlighter brush. It's actually a lot smaller than I'm used to for highlighter, but I feel like I can use that to kind of like make a really precise little beam of light. I don't know. And this is the fan brush. I do use fan brushes for highlight in general, so I feel like I can kind of like diffuse a highlight with that. And I feel like I can do like a little pop of highlight right in the center, but really cool. Yeah, I think I have their foundation brush. Yeah, so I do own their foundation brush already. It has pink on it because my daughter was playing with it, but very cool. These brushes feel great. So what I'm going to do today, I am going to try the Big Bold Brow Crayon, and I am going to use a spoolie. I'm also going to play around with that brush that they sent, the eyebrow brush. So let's go in and play around with these new products, shall we? Let's zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Big Bold Brow Crayon. And as you can see, it's like a chubby little stick. So it's not like a precise pencil, but it's supposed to help make things move a little bit quicker. So let's see. Let's go in. I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. The consistency is pretty nice. It has a little bit of that waxy feel to it, which I actually do like for the brows because I feel like it helps kind of hold the brows in place. I'm not pushing too hard because if you guys don't know, I don't like my brows being super bold, but I don't mind a little boldness. That was easy. So as you can see, that's with the brow crayon, and this is without. Let's go ahead and fill the other one in, shall we? That's easy. So now if you want something a little bit more precise, you can go in with the Universal Brow Pencil instead of the crayon. And I'm going to go in with that just to show you guys. I'm going to use the spoolie that it came with just for the sake of using it. But the eyebrow brush does have a spoolie on the other side, as you guys saw. But I'm just going to brush that out like so. And now to define them a little bit more, I'm going to use the brown pencil. We're just going to go in, just define it where I want a little bit more detail, like right here where it's a little bit sparse. I want just to define a little bit more. The nice thing too with this is like you don't need a ton of pressure, which I definitely appreciate. And I'm just going to define over here a little bit. Let's do the same thing on this side. I'm using very little pressure and I feel like it's just doing enough, you know, just exactly what I'm looking for. I really don't like brow pencils that you have to push down hard because I feel like I want to hold on to as many brow hairs as I have. But yeah, so I just went over with the brow pencil so it has a little finer tip just on the pieces that I want to define a little bit more. Now, just for the sake of using things, so I do not have a pomade or anything. I do want to get my hands on their pomade. You know what I want to do actually? I'm going to use that crayon and see how it works with this brush because I do actually like the feel of that crayon. So what I'm going to do is get that crayon, just get the tip of the brush like so. All right, and let's define that a little bit more. Ooh, I actually like how that works. It's like a little hack if you don't have a pomade on hand. So fill that sparse area right there. That Universal Brow Pencil and just fill that one spot is like not really filling in for some reason. There we go. That's better. Cool. And just use a spoolie to brush that out. Now I'm just going to clean up my brows real quick and let's see. So of course my camera decided to shut off right when I was cleaning up, but I took a little bit of this Kokie concealer that I have. It's a little bit more of a concealer closer to my skin tone than my other concealers. My other ones are a little bit lighter. And I took the eyeliner brush that they provided and I just kind of cleaned up the brows a little bit. So yeah, unfortunately my camera died when I was doing that. So to try something new, I went ahead and tried their Big Bold Brow Crayon. So normally I don't really like bold brows on me, but I kind of like this. And I used their Universal Brow Pencil just to define a little bit more, and I used their brush, which I really like. So let's back it up. We don't need to be this close anymore. So yeah, definitely a little bit more bold than I wear, but I'm not mad at it. I definitely want to try the brushes out too. I will let you know how I like those. I did not know I was going to be receiving brushes. Otherwise, I would have saved some of my makeup to do on camera. But I wanted to at least get the brows on for you because, you know, it's Billion Dollar Brows, so I assumed that there were going to be brow products in there, which they were. So very cool. If you like the look of bold brows, I think you would probably like this brow crayon. I actually haven't really seen much of that. I feel like they're either powders, pomades, or pencils. So the brow crayon is actually pretty cool. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They were just kind enough to send this to me, and I wanted to do a little unboxing and a little tryout on camera for you. So that does it. Thank you to Billion Dollar Brows for sending that over to me. I really enjoyed trying the products, and yes, that's it. So let me know if you guys have tried any of their products. Again, if you want to give them a follow, go ahead and check them out on Instagram. You can also go ahead and check me out on Instagram. If you have tried their products, which of them have you tried? Did you like it? Did you not? I hope you guys like this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications for when I upload. And stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.